Good morning. Something smells. Nice flowers. Sorry guys. Hi. So I was thinking I'm gonna make a video this week, but I forgot to record anything. Like, I didn't record anything today, just the morning one that I showed you before. So I kind of want to give up on making this vlog, but I also kind of want to still try it. So, and right now I'm just having my salad, which has actually expired 3 days ago, but bon appetit. Good morning. So it's a new day today. It's 9:30 a.m. now, and it's been raining since 1 a.m. and I have a feeling that it's gonna rain whole day. Here I have my breakfast, so I'm just gonna have my breakfast and I'll talk to you guys later. It's still raining outside, but I still managed to get some lunch and some chips, and I'm gonna watch something now. Having breakfast for dinner is definitely something I do, but it doesn't look so appetizing. But never mind, don't go for the visuals. Good morning. It's Wednesday, 7:15 a.m. So I'm actually a little bit late. So I have to change quickly and have my breakfast quickly. So bye. All right, I'm ready. I'm at the cafe and this is my lunch. No one can understand my food choices, literally. Good morning, guys. Next day again. I know I couldn't. Something smells. I know I didn't take much video yesterday as well, but there's nothing interesting happening in my life, so I don't know what should I do. But anyway, I'm going to cafe right now. I don't know if my mask smells. Just finished work and my laces are undone. Haha. My dinner. Good morning. So I finished my work at 1 or 2 p.m. and now I'm just going to the physiotherapist, which is also like 10 minutes walk from my place. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back from my physiotherapy and they've also given me this cushion thing with the pump which I can use to exercise. Nice flowers. Anyway, yeah, but it cost me $107. What? And the sun is setting and it's looking very pretty right now. We're vaccinated. Hi friends, I just got my vaccine and this arm hurts a lot, so I'm just gonna quickly change my bedsheet and then I'm gonna sleep. Hello friends, time to go walking. Okay guys, I'm back from my walk and this is my breakfast for today. My sad little ankle couldn't bear up, so I just walked 3 kilometers.